Hey boys and girls, my name's Mac Comer, Knoxville, Tennessee's Dean of Fun, and today I'm going to read a book to you titled Cat and Dog Work. Now while I'm reading, you're going to notice me using this arrow key, and that's so that you can follow along while I'm reading, and then you'll have an opportunity to read after I read. Let's go ahead and practice on this front cover page. Cat and Dog Work. Your turn. Perfect. By Lisa Walston. Your turn. Illustrated by Mike Dammer. Okay, so now I'm going to turn the page and we're going to just continue to do that same thing. I'm going to point to the words and read it first, and then I'll go back and point to the words, and that's where you will have the opportunity to read at home or at school, wherever you're watching this video. Let's go ahead and change and turn the page. Cat and Dog Work. By Lisa Walston. Illustrated by Mike Dammer. Okay, cool. Here we go. I am cat. Your turn. I am dog. I am mom. I am mom. I am hammering. I am painting. I am happy. Very good, boys and girls. So we are done reading the book. Now what we're going to do is we're going to actually go back, and I'm going to ask you a couple of questions to get your brain thinking, okay? So let's go ahead and go back to the very beginning of the book. Now, one thing I want us to point out is sometimes when we're reading books, they might have pictures that will help us read words that we don't know. For example, if I know the words I and I know the word am, I know that says I am. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at pictures, and I'm going to look at the first letter of the word and try to see if I can use both of those things together to find out what the word says. So, for example, this says I am, and I know that that's a C. C sounds like K, and I know that that looks like a picture of a cat. K. Now, I could also try to sound out the word too. K-at. Well, that's a picture of a cat, and that definitely says cat. So the sentence says, I am cat. Good. Now you read it. Awesome. Let's use those same skills on the next page. I am. I know it starts with the letter D. D sounds like D. That looks like a picture of a dog. I know that D, dog. Dog starts with the D sound, so that word is D-og. Dog. So I used the first letter, I looked at the picture, and then I even tried to sound it all out, and it made sense to me. I am dog. Perfect. That picture matches the dog, and that picture matches the cat. Now this one is going to be a little bit trickier because this word is going to be really hard to figure out just by looking at the picture. I am. Now, by looking at this picture, I think that's a cat. But I know that cat starts with the K sound. But this word starts with the M, which makes the sound. I'm going to have to sound this word out, honestly. Mom. I am mom. You know what? Looking at the picture, this cat looks a lot bigger than this cat. So, you know what? That could be a mom. I think that makes sense to me. I am mom. And that's exactly correct. That's what it says. Over here, same thing. I am. Now, I could use my skills like I did before, like sounding out the word. but I've already seen this word before in this book on this page right here. M-O-M said mom on this page. And over here, M-O-M says mom on this page. So sometimes you can use that one-to-one correspondence to help you figure out words if you've already read them previously on a previous page. So this says, I am mom. Let's go to the next page. So here we're definitely going to use pictures to help us read this sentence. All right. I've got to look at this picture. That's a picture of a hammer. I am hammer. That doesn't make sense, okay? I am hammer? No. So what are they doing in this picture? When you're doing something, you add the ing sound at the end of it, like jumping, walking. So I am hammering. That makes sense. I am hammering. I see a brush. I am brush. That starts with the B. And this one starts with the P. So what's another word that I could figure out that would use the paintbrush? Oh, paint. I am paint. When you're doing something, remember you add the ing, which says ing, like running, hammering, jumping. So here I would say, I am painting. Good job. Let's move on. I am, what does that say? I'm looking at that smiley face. I am smiley face. Oh, wait, no. What could it be? Smiley face. Starts with the S sound, and that's an H. So what would be another word that I could figure out that would be smiley face? When I'm smiling, I know that I'm happy. I am happy. That's what it is. All right, boys and girls. Well, I hope you enjoyed reading with me today as much as I enjoyed reading with you. Until next time, bye-bye.